Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a smooth echo reverb effect to end songs in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, make sure you have at least 3 to 5 seconds for extra song past your cut, and this is important for the reverb effect to work. Then move your timeline slider that you want the reverb to start. Collapse the audio track, then go back to 15 frames and make a cut by pressing Ctrl plus B. Now duplicate the clip by holding Alt and dragging it down to a layer 2. Then right-click the double duplicated clip and select a new compound clip and accept the default settings. Now right-click the compound clip again and select the Open in Timeline. Then duplicate the clip and drag it down a lower audio track. Then press D to disable a bottom clip. Then click and drag the top clip to extend it by a few seconds. Then return in your main timeline by double-clicking timeline 1. Then drag the bottom clip out to more to blend the reverb clip. Now open the toolbox and search for reverb and apply it to the bottom clip. Next, lower the room size to 70 and increase the reverb to maximum and set the volume compound clip to 10 dB. And that's it. Your song now has a smooth echo reverb fade out. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.